Bray Bray. Give me that toy. Hey, Thor. Bray Bray, you got it. Give me that toy. What, baby? Hi, baby. Potato wants to play with you. Can Potato play with you? Get it, Potato. Stop jumping. No. Get Thor. No. Down. Thor. Get down. Hey, be nice. Thor, Ray. Be nice. Thor. We're gonna have some nummies. You wanna have a treat? Who wants a treat? You want a treat? Alright, everybody's got to sit. Let me open it. Everybody sit. Brady, sit. Sit. Brady. Sit. Good boy. Loki, sit. Loki, sit. Good boys. Dory's my baby. Hold on. But, Drac, you got to get a small one because you don't chew it. Brady, sit. Sit. Good boys. Loki, sit. Sit pretty. Good boy. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Come on. Sit pretty. Good boys. He just ate that all. See, that's why I don't give them to him, because he eats. Loki eats them whole. You're gonna choke on that, baby. You have to learn how to chew. You act like you never ate and you get all kinds of treats. That's not good. You have to chew on your treat. Right, Thor? Tell him. Bye-bye. And Loki. Alright. Enough treats. Alright, one more treat. I'm going to break it in half because you guys are eating too much. I'm going to get a bellyache. Thor. Bye-bye. Sit. Drax, you gotta get a little piece. You sit. I'm gonna give him the teeniest piece they have in here. Actually, he doesn't chew it. Oh, you finally chewed it? Good boy. Alright, everybody say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. What do you got, baby? Get it, Bri. Get it. Get it, Brady. Get that. Loki, be nice. Loki, stop stealing all the toys. You don't share. Be nice. Loki. What happened, baby? Sorry.